Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the UGREEN 9-in-1 HDMI plus DisplayPort hub. This is a USB-C docking station. Here's some details on the back. You can pause this anytime and take a read, but the details will be in the description. So it is a docking station that has 9 ports, and we'll get to those ports right now. Here we have gigabit Ethernet, then we have HDMI, 4K at 60 Hz, DisplayPort, HDMI, 4K at 60 Hz, DisplayPort, 2 USB-C ports, and as you can see here on the box, it offers up to 10 gigabit on those ports, and then on the other side, we have 2 USB-A ports and another USB-C port, along with this button right here on top. So you simply plug it in. It offers up to 100 watts of charging power, as it shows right here. Power delivery mode 3.0, and you can hook up to 3 monitors with this docking station. And if you have a MacBook Pro M1, you can only extend up to 1 additional screen with this unit. This is the 9-in-1 UGREEN hub. I like its construction. It has nice rubber feet on the bottom. It even comes with a USB-C cord branded with UGREEN as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.